Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin price rose slightly on Wednesday but remained squarely within a recent trading range as caution over US inflation and interest rates kept traders largely averse towards risk-driven assets such as crypto. Bitcoin was trading below $68,000. Bitcoin was spooked by bankrupt crypto exchange Mt. Gox moving about $9 billion worth of token this week, which sparked speculation that the exchange was planning to offload the token in order to repay its creditors and account holders. But the world's biggest crypto saw some price relief after media reports suggested that crypto exchange Mt. Gox clarified had no immediate plans to sell its massive Bitcoin holdings, although it was preparing a plan to repay creditors. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.1% at 87,770 points. Other altcoins inched higher, although gains were limited amid persistent concerns over high for longer interest rates and sticky inflation. Focus this week was squarely on PCE price index data, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge. The reading is due on Friday and is likely to factor into central banks' plans for interest rates. The data comes as a string of Fed officials warn that rates will remain high for longer, a scenario that bodes poorly for crypto. Meanwhile, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has reportedly surpassed the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as the world's largest exchange-traded fund tracking the price of Bitcoin. Additionally, BlackRock's income and bond-focused funds have bought shares of the asset manager's own spot Bitcoin ETF in the first quarter, regulatory filings show. In another news, Cathie Wood's ARK investment fund has committed $60 million to Elon Musk's XAI startup, demonstrating the firm's confidence in its potential amid a surge in AI investments. Well, Cathie Wood made another headline today as she boldly predicted that El Salvador could see its GDP increase tenfold over the next 5 years if it stays with its Bitcoin and AI adoption plan under Nayib Bukele's presidency. In another news, the bullish meme coin run over the past couple of weeks has helped Shiba Inu dethrone Cardano from the top 10 crypto rankings by market cap. Finally, Bitcoin mining firm Luxor Technology Corporation and Bitnominal Inc. have launched a Bitcoin mining derivative product on Bitnominal's United States derivative exchange. Bitnominal claimed the product trading under the ticker ATOP offers a way for miners to hedge their revenue and for investors to gain exposure to the Bitcoin mining hash rate. Bitcoin was trading at $67,840, down by 1%, while Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $3,813. Next on the list, Binance's BNB token was down by 0.5% to trade at $599. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was up by 1% to trade at $0.46. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $37, lower by 0.2%. And Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.8% at $0.16. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading up by 9.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.53, down by 0.25%, and Polkadot was up by 0.6% to trade at $7.46. Well, however, Solana Sol was up 0.34% and was trading at $169. Polygon's Matic was trading up by 0.34% to trade at $0.74. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor celebrated a significant milestone in the Bitcoin ETF arena, stating that 32 Bitcoin ETFs now hold over 1 Nakamoto of Bitcoin in reserve. The growth of Bitcoin ETFs and their accumulated reserves is evident in the US market, with US-based ETFs emerging as the biggest contributors. In the US, Grayscale's GBTC ETF holds the largest share at 289,040 BTC, while BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has expanded its reserve to 287,168 BTC from 225 BTC at launch. While other significant contributors include Fidelity's Wise Bitcoin ETF with 161,538 BTC and the ARK21 Shares ETF with 48,503 BTC. Internationally, Bitcoin ETPs have collectively garnered 1 million BTC, solidifying Bitcoin's position as a global investment asset. The strong institutional interest could be a bullish signal for the future trajectory of Bitcoin price, as the supply crunch could occur as the BTC exchange reserve plummets to new lows. Dog-themed tokens have seen a surge in value as GameStop stocks surged over 19% in pre-market trading. Floki and Dogwoof had 2 Ethereum and Solana blockchain tokens saw 8% and 8% increases respectively. DogeCoin rose 2% in the past 24 hours, while Solana-based Bonk was up 5.5%. Meme tokens often mirror movements in stocks like GameStop and AMC Entertainment Holdings, leading some investors to perceive these movements as signs of euphoria. Mock token developer Shisui told CoinDesk that much of the GameStop mania had spilled over to Doge and other meme coins in 2021, suggesting a repeat if GME gains favor among retail investors. While tokens like Doge and Floki had earlier jumped up to 30% in May following a viral post by retail trader Keith Gill, who turned $58,000 into an estimated $50 million between 2019 and 2021 by buying GameStop options. Solana has been trading at the lower boundary of its ascending channel since the beginning of the month, with a decline towards the support line beginning on May 20. The altcoin's value rose to $184 on May 20 following selling activities. However, Sol has witnessed a decline in open positions in the futures market since May 20, with a 4% decrease over the past 7 days. This decline may indicate that market participants are increasingly exiting trading positions without opening new ones. Experts predict that if Sol breaches the $163 support, its price could further drop to $157.99. However, due to the positive funding rate on crypto exchanges, futures investors are still taking long positions in Sol, leading to an increase in buying pressure and pushing the asset's price towards $172.41.